Hey guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my channel and happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're having the most wonderful day with your friends and family. I'm down in San Diego celebrating Thanksgiving with my family. And I just want to say I'm so thankful for my YouTube fam. I love each and every one of you. So today I'm doing a special giveaway. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to find out what it is. And I wanted to know what you wanted to see more of in addition to the trend guides that I do every season. And a bunch of you said you wanted to see my beauty favorites. So that is what we are doing today. I'm taking you through 13 of my favorite makeup and skincare products that I use every single day. Beauty product number one is a tinted moisturizer. I've been using this tinted moisturizer forever. It's Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. So I use Dune 7.5, but I've been really tan and I've kind of lost my tan, so I think I need a lighter color. But it's just really, really moisturizing, super lightweight, so you can wear it every single day. And whenever I wear it, I get compliments saying, oh, your skin looks so glowy. It's really not. It's just the moisturizer. Product number two is my current favorite foundation. So on a regular day, I use the tinted moisturizer, but if I'm going out or I'm filming like today, I want a little bit more coverage. I don't like wearing a ton on my face. That's why I really like this one from Revlon. It's their Color Stay Full Cover Foundation, and it's matte. So I get super oily, and I find this to be really creamy, but without the shine. So it gives the perfect coverage. It's exactly what I'm wearing right now, and it's really, really soft. Product number three that I use on the regular is Anastasia's Contour Kit. I use light to medium. I don't do heavy contouring. I am not Kim Kardashian. I just can't do all that, but I do like a little bit of definition. So this is my favorite palette that I use almost every day. The yellow I use under my eyes. It takes out some of the blue, and then if I'm tanner, like I was during the summer, I'll use this one on the cheekbones right here. Right now I'm just using this one. So it's a really good contouring palette for beginners and super simple to use. Product number four is my current favorite mascara, which is Urban Decay's Perversion. So it's a really glamorous mascara. It adds a lot of volume and thickness, and it's just a really great product that I've been using for a while now, and I'm obsessed. Product number five is a newer product. It actually just launched this month, but I've been using it every day since. It's Mary Kay's Chroma Fusion collection, and it has basically every single eye color that you could imagine, and you can create your own palette. It has both mattes and shimmers, and the pigment is so great because it doesn't crease in your eyes, and it lasts like all day long. It's so amazing. My favorites are the golds and the bronzes and then the neutrals. And coming up, make sure to go to my blog next month because I have some more fun stuff with the Chroma Fusion. It's really, really great. Product number six is another Mary Kay product that I have been using for years, and I actually had to get a new one because mine got so dirty because I travel with it so much. So it's just this little makeup holder, but it's so awesome because it holds everything. And then I travel a ton, so basically all I do is I take the little hanging part and hang it, whether it's on the mirror or, I mean, you can hang it on a vase, like you can hang it anywhere in whatever hotel bathroom or your own bathroom, and it's just so easy. I can't say enough good things about this. I actually gave one to my mom, and before I bought a new one, I stole it back. That's how much I love it. So sorry, Mom, I'll get you one for Christmas. Product number seven is a product that is a little bit new, a little bit old. So I've been using Olay Total Effects for a while now, their Whips product, and they just came out with fragrance free, which I really like because I have so many other different scents that I use, so I don't really like my moisturizer to have some fragrance, and it's just so creamy. This one has SPF. Since I live in California, I'm very careful with SPF. I think you should wherever you live personally, but they also have a regular version, but this is the one that I use. Product number eight is a serum that I've been using ever since this summer. So I was on a trip with my friend Jessica, and she brought this along and she swore by it. So I was like, okay, I'll give it a try. And my face was just so much better. So I went out and got it. It's Ceuticals Retexturizing Activator. So basically you put a few drops onto your face. It's a serum, and it acts like an exfoliant while you're sleeping. So it gets off all that dead skin cells. It's really, really amazing. Product number 9 is the night cream that I've been using every single night. It's Korres Wild Rose, a vitamin C brightening sleeping facial. So I've been using Korres products for a while. I'm obsessed with rose scent, and they have all these different yummy rose scented products. Vitamin C is really great for your skin. It helps brighten, and it's just a really good moisturizing night cream. Product 10 is the eye cream that I've been using every night. When I entered my 30s, I was told you really need to use retinol, and I don't like to use the really concentrated amount because it's too harsh on my skin. So Kate Somerville makes really great retinol products. One that I've been using is their retinol firming eye cream. So I only use it at night, just dab it over here, and it helps prevent crow's feet because who doesn't want that? I need another one of these too. This one's almost done. Product 11 is an eye mask that I use almost every morning. It's Thomas Roth Cucumber Detox Hydrogel Eye Patches. So I keep them in the fridge, and they're these like jelly little green eye patches that are so amazing, and they feel so cooling under your eye. It gets rid of puffiness, and it just feels really great. It helps wake me up. Product number 12 is my favorite deodorant. So I've been wearing Dove, gosh, I don't even know how long, like forever. So this is Dove Dry Spray. I've been recently obsessed with the beauty finish. It has a really yummy scent. Actually, when we were shooting some B-roll, my videographer, Tim, who's right behind that camera, hi Tim, she's like, ooh, that smells yummy when I sprayed it. So if it's Tim approved, it's YouTube approved. And finally, product number 13 is how I've been making sure I don't get sick this holiday season. So this is EO Organic Hand Sanitizer. My friend Michelle actually had this in her purse one day, and she sprayed it, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so relaxing and yummy. It's this lavender scent, and you just spray it on your hands. It desanitizes, breathe it in, and you're relaxed. So there are my 13 favorite beauty products that I've been using every single day. I'm curious to hear what you guys think about this because I've never done one of these before. So leave a comment if you want to see more of these seasonally, maybe. I don't know. But now let's talk about the giveaway. It is Thanksgiving, and I'm so thankful for you. So I'm putting together a huge beauty bag. So tons of beauty products for you guys to try, over hundreds of dollars worth of stuff. It's going to be major. So here is how to win. 1, subscribe. 2, comment below. You can let me know what type of videos you want to see upcoming on my YouTube channel. And 3, share this video with your friends by tagging 3 friends in your sharing. So you can share on Facebook, you can share on Twitter, or you can do both. Each one is an additional entry. So good luck. I will be announcing the winner in the comment section below. So check back next week. Happy Thanksgiving. I love you guys. Mwah. We have beauty products flying everywhere. Why do I have an accent today? Let's start the diverse shit. This month, AK product. Oops. Nope. Hold on. And really every single night. So when I started entering my 30s, must be that American Thanksgiving spirit. America.